Let's build something real. This is Nastrum Books, a cloud accounting SaaS, invoicing, expenses, banking, and financial reports used by businesses across several countries. This is Nastrum POS, a point of sale system live on Google Play. And this is Kidlyoo, a parental control app that curates what children watch on YouTube and gives parents full control over screen time. I built all three of these completely alone. No co-founder, no development team, just AI tools, and the system I want to show you. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how I did this and what I'm going to teach you on this channel. I am a computer engineer, but my world was networking, Cisco, enterprise infrastructure, hardware. Building software products was never my thing. I was a solo entrepreneur running businesses, and I was paying for multiple apps just to keep things running. Accounting software, POS system, expense tracking. It all adds up fast, and none of them were built for how we actually work. Every time I approached a developer with an idea, the cost was too high. The timeline was too long. Nothing moved. Then I got the hang of AI tools, and everything changed. What started as solving my own problems became Nastrum Books, then Nastrum POS, then Kidlyoo. This channel documents how I did it and exactly how you can do the same thing. I built Nastrum Books because I lived the problem. As a solo entrepreneur, I was paying for multiple apps just to keep my finances organized. Accounting here, expenses there, nothing talked to each other. And when I looked at what was available for small business owners, everything was either too expensive or too complicated, or just not built for how businesses here actually work. So I built one myself and I made it free. For a single user, Nastrum Books is completely free. Every feature, unlimited. No credit card, no catch. Because that is what solo entrepreneurs actually need. Planning took a few weeks before I wrote a single line of code. I mapped out every feature and every screen. Then I started building it using Claude inside Cursor to write the actual code. Designed the database, handled the logic. The whole product took about a month to reach a working state. The hardest part was the multi-user system, audit trails, access control, role permissions. Every user can only see what they are allowed to see. Every single action had to be logged. The result was Nastrum Books is live. Business owners across several countries are using it right now. Every single feature built for one person using AI tools and completely free for solo users. Next, I built Nastrum POS. Nastrum POS was a different kind of build. The idea was clear. A clean POS system any small business could use, but the timeline I set was aggressive, 45 days. I was working 15 hours a day, every day for 6 weeks. Nothing glamorous about that. Just me, a screen, cursor, and Claude. The moment that nearly broke me was the Bluetooth printer. The app needed to print receipts to a Bluetooth printer. Should be simple, except nothing worked. I tried different printers, same problem every time. It was not the printers, it was the code. So then I went back and forth with Claude again and again, testing, breaking, fixing, testing again, days of this. And then one day the receipt came out perfectly aligned, every single time. That was the moment I knew we were going to be fine. Here is something I do that made all the difference. Every night before I sleep, I plan the next day. Not a full schedule, just bullet points. The specific things I need to get done tomorrow. Morning comes, I open those bullet points. I start on the first one, finish it, then the next. When a clear path is waiting for you in the morning, you do not waste time deciding what to do. You just execute with Claude and Cursor. That system is what got me through. The result? Nastrum POS is approved on Google Play Store. It's live. And looking back, those 45 days are the reason I know that almost anything can be built solo if you have the right approach. Kidlyoo. Kidlyoo started in my own home. My kids were watching videos with no control, reels, random content, hours of screen time. As a parent, I had no real way to manage what they were watching. So my wife was also asking about the same thing. Is the solution? What can we do about this? Started thinking about it, and so finally built something for my own family. And when it worked, I realized millions of parents have the same problem. So I made it bigger. Today, Kidlyoo lets parents curate exactly what their children watch on YouTube, control which apps they can access, set time limits, and set up a reward system for screen time. Well, so far it has been rejected 4 times by Google Play. 4 times, and we are still going. Parental control apps have serious compliance requirements. Google takes that very seriously, and I do too. Every rejection comes with a specific point. Either it's a fix or a clarification or a clearance details for the users. We fix it, we resubmit, then a new point comes in, we fix that as well, resubmit again. 4 rounds of this so far. But here is what I have learned. Every time Google asks for something, the app gets better, more compliant, more trustworthy, and stronger. We fully comply with every requirement Google gives us, and that is the right approach. Kidlyoo is not approved yet, but it will be. That process, every rejection, every fix, every resubmission is going to happen on this channel. You're going to watch it in real time. Fingers crossed, it will be soon. Because that is what building actually looks like. Not smooth, not fast, not glamorous. The people who ship things are not the ones who never hit problems. They are the ones who keep going when they do. 4 rejections does not mean stop. It means keep going until it is right. This is what the channel is all about. This channel is for one type of person. Someone who has an idea, a product they want to build, a problem they want to solve, but feels like they don't have the technical background, the team, or the money to make it happen. In 2026, with the right AI tools and the right approach, those are not the barriers that used to be. I have 3 products that prove it, and I'm building more. Every step of that process is going to be on this channel. How I build, the AI tools I use, the mistakes I make, the decisions I regret, the moments that work, all of it. I'm not going to teach you theory. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it and the problems that come along it and the solutions. The next video is where to actually start. It covers the exact AI setup I use for every product I build. Cursor, Claude, how to manage memory, the context, so the AI never loses track of what you're building. If you're serious about building something, that video is your first step. It's on screen right now. And if this video makes you think, even a little, that you could build something too, then subscribe. Because the next product I build, you're going to watch it happen from day one. Thank you for being with us.